you're buying the used car, you definitely have to get the new HID lights. I mean, from the first look, it's just insane. What is going on, guys? And today we're gonna be replacing the light bulbs, which is BMW X5 E70. We have pretty messed up the lenses. They kind of old. I polished them and they kind of looks okay, but the lights, what you can see it in there, basically the lights out there, as you can see, they are yellowish. They pretty dark, kind of tinted already and stuff like that. So we wanted to fix that stuff. It's really hard to see it on the camera, but it's gonna be pretty doable on the wall in there. So let's pop the hood up. I got those guys RCP 35 watts, which is type of original headlights, like xenon headlights. Let's pop them open. I have the gloves for them. I already have mine, but they looks like pretty much like original. We don't want it to tear them anyhow or touch the actual element, which we're gonna keep them covered. We simply need to remove the old one and install the new one. Unfortunately, you're not gonna be able to see a lot. I'll try to at least show you how do I remove the plug here. One of the plugs is here, which is twist and turn. That one is directly lighting the angel eyes. We did replace in previous episode. The link gonna be in the description or right here to it. Basically, right under the fender, it's gonna be another plug. So you simply pressing the button at the top and removing the plug itself. So it's a pretty big one. And behind that plug, we're gonna have our light bulb. So there is gonna be two pins looking it down, and you basically press it in and push it toward the inside, same way the second one, and basically open them up. That's how they work. And then you're gonna be able to basically expose the light bulb itself. Okay, there we're gonna need to remove the unit itself, which is also not that easy. And after that, we wanted to unplug it. Still, it's hot like hell, but that's what we got. And inner element, the little bulb there, is pretty dimmed, like smoky, foggy or something like that. Let's see what's gonna happen if we're gonna install the new one. Let's try to grab the wire there, right there, and somehow plug the bulb itself. It's not really comfortable, but it is what it is. That's how it goes. That's effed up. Okay, it's been tough, but I managed to do it. So, at the right side you see that spot in there, which is insane. I mean, compared to the left side, and it does work. I mean, that one is super bright. It's just crazy. I can easily look into the center of the driver's side and having no problem. And the left side, basically, I cannot look straight into the light in there, which is like tremendous difference. It's not even funny. We'll take it to the road and we'll see how it goes, but I mean, from the first look, it's just insane. Okay, we have quite a problem also. I dropped one of the light bulbs right in that spot in there, near the fender, right behind the fender. Apparently the light bulb's sitting somewhere here and I cannot reach that far. Basically my hand can go all the way here, but not farther than that. So I don't know, probably have to remove the fender, but it's hell of a job and it's pretty late for it now. So most likely it's not gonna happen today. But anyway, that was a great test. I think that's good thumbs up in there. Guys, that was insane difficulty. Drop it in there, find the spot where it just fell, couldn't grab it, somehow just pull it out, and I don't know, it just does not look straight anymore. Anyway, just it is what it is. Try it, we'll see it. I'll not to do the same dumb mistake as the last one, or at least drop the piece in there. Okay. Okay. Maybe I did learn something. Okay, last night we replaced those lights, the HID lights, and they're extremely good. I will start the car, but not necessarily. Just try to show you what is going on. Do you remember how light was look like? Basically, the lights out there, as you can see, they are yellowish. They're pretty dark, kind of tinted already and stuff like that. So now it's gone, it's completely gone. It's super bright, it just straight in my eye. Anyway, we have some dirt on it, but apparently we also have problem with the lens itself, so that's why we have that type of effect and that yellowish line at the top there. So it's not big of a deal, but we definitely succeed for 20-30% of upgrade, and I am happy. I'm extremely happy about it. So let me know in a comment below, what do you think about this mod? Should you do it? Personally, for me, I think you definitely have to deal with that. If you buy in the used car, you definitely have to get the new HID lights if you have HID. Even if the regular lights, you definitely want to swap those light bulbs because it's worth it. You're getting much more light. Whenever you're driving at nighttime, it's amazing. There's such a big difference, especially whenever you drive the car for a while and then swap those light bulbs. That's just crazy. I mean, anyway guys, if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below.